on the grass cut down from 7 foot and higher. And here's the plier of his father's trade, the swoop and swoosh of the cutting blade, and through the fields the scyther. He rose and bent as on he went to swing the circle wider. He turned a prairie to a field, he made the stubborn tangle yield, and steady rose the scyther, as if to stay eternal day, to bend and rise forever. He only paused for midday meal to draw the stone to whet the steel, then through the fields the scyther. Day grew long, come even song, slowly rose the tiger. A rusted scythe stands silently for stone and time and victory, and through the fields the scyther.